my goodness, we are in a new place, we are in a new setting. I moved out, so I am never gonna be recording in my room again at home with my parents. But now we're recording in a new place, in a place that Luke and I live in a place that we bought. So yes, so excited. Okay, I'm also going to be trying out a new lens as well. I have some new lights too. Oh my goodness, they're like amazing. Luke is currently waiting for me to finish up my videos that I can come and play online. So I really need to get this going. So let me just start by introducing myself. Hi guys, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. Today is a very big video for me because it's the first time that I'm filming from our new place, in a new spot, not in the original room that I have always filmed my videos for KezziesCorner. It is, oh my god, monumental. So today's video is basically, I'm going to be catching up. I'm going to be using some Pixi Beauty products that I have received that I have never ever tried out. So I'm going to be testing them out with you guys. However, I've also included some products that I have also been loving this past, I would say, 2 months, because I feel like I haven't done makeup and makeup videos for so long. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I should tell you guys before we get started that the nails that I have on today are from Senna Nail, and they're their new style. They're handmade cat eye press-on nails. I'll be doing a video about these very soon, so just wanted to tell you guys that is what you see. I have a discount link down below, so just check out my description box. Okay, so I'm gonna change my lens and we're gonna record some makeup. So at the moment, we're recording on a new lens. Now I have no idea if it has done anything different. However, I would love it if you guys can tell me if the quality is a little bit better. Let's start by showing you a new primer, which I have never tried before, so I don't know how this is gonna work. So this is the Pixi by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer. It's a hydrating glow primer. Absolutely adore the packaging. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Pixi always have some really good packaging. So I'm just going to put some of this, obviously, primer. Ooh, it's skin colored, so it's not a transparent looking product, which is something that we obviously find interesting. Ooh, it feels very light on the skin and it like just dissolves into your skin, which is very nice. And I guess this would help with the hydrating that it so claims. Now we're going to be using the Essence Hydrogel Under Eye Stick. I absolutely love this product. I find that this gives a good set to your under eyes and it's very hydrating as well. So we're using quite a bit of hydrating products over here. Over here we have a vitamin C lip brightener, and I just love and adore the packaging. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally just apply it, because why not? Ooh. But I like how it kind of helps getting my lips a little bit, you know, pink and very natural, very basically, very, very natural. And we like that. Okay, so a foundation that I have actually been loving is the Maybelline Superstay Active Wear Foundation. And I wanted to use this today because I'm going out later on tonight, but obviously it's going to be like, right now it's 3 o'clock. So we have a bit more time until we go out. So hopefully this actually really helps, because I put it on for work and it just lasts quite a bit, which is always nice to see in foundation. So I'm just going to apply with a brush at the moment because I still need to get out my beauty blenders, but it's fine because I love this brush. This brush is actually from Real Techniques. It's a very good foundation brush, if you are wondering. That is probably psoriasis, so we're just gonna hide that. So yeah, bye-bye. Goodbye. Psoriasis, like, why do you bother to come and bother me? But it's fine. Oh, it's really nice to have like your own space. Honestly, I think you guys who moved out will understand me. You know, it's so interesting to see like myself just, you know, living in my own space and obviously living with somebody as well. That's very interesting. That's been interesting so far. We've been okay. We've been okay. He's a very good cook, so I cannot really complain. And so far, like the cleaning, I think I've managed quite well as well, so that's nice. As you can see, it's a very good overall foundation. It does cover up very well as well. A concealer which I have been loving, again, is the Tarte Okay, the Shape Tape Concealer. I know. I've actually ordered their new creamy one, which I've never actually tried before because I recently found out that we can order off Sephora. Like, I didn't know that. Like, us Maltese can finally order off Sephora. It's freaking amazing. So, cannot wait to receive that. In fact, I did an order already and I did a second order because I need to buy some skin stuff. As you can see, I'm very happy to be talking to you guys again about makeup especially. But yeah, I got some stuff from Rare Beauty and I can't wait to try out. I haven't tried out the products yet, but I will definitely try them out very soon. If not in the next video, the one after for sure. Now I'm going to be using my MAC powder. I absolutely love this powder. This is basically, it was like a light studio water weight powder. That is what it is called, and I love this, honestly. Oh my god, look at this. So happy about this lens so far. It's a very good lens. I got the Sigma one. So now what do I need? What am I gonna do next? I think I'll do next the eyes. Okay, so basically what I'm going to be using is, I think I'm just going to use a brown eyeshadow from this palette. It's called the Natural Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. And basically these are the shades. Very natural, very brown. And you would love this for like an everyday eyeshadow palette. And the shade I'm going to be using today, I think this one is called Soft Brown because you have the names at the very back. I'm just going to take my Beauty Bay. This is the Round the Blend brush. I'm going to be doing a simple look because I simply want to try out their new liquid eyeshadows, which I received. I'm just going to blend this basically in. So I'm just going to try and come close. I still need to figure this out, but I'm just going to do this. So hopefully you will see everything. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this shade into my crease. Ooh, I forgot that we have to do our eyebrows, guys. Oh my goodness. Now we'll do it. We can do our eyebrows after I do this crease color. It's perfectly fine. Makeup doesn't have to always be so structured. So it's fine, guys, if you realize, like me, that you missed a step, but it's more than understandable because I'm like so excited to be filming today's video. And I really apologize, obviously, for not being so active recently, but there was no way that I was going to be, because it, like, moving out is definitely one of the most stressful things that you guys will ever experience in your lives. I mean, that's why it's actually rated as one of the most stressful things that you will experience in your life. So if you're moving out, please be gentle with yourselves, be kind with yourselves, and recognize that so many things are happening, both on the, like the fact that you're moving out, but also emotionally and within. You'd also be going through your own process of actually coming to terms with the fact that you're, moving out. So give yourselves a break. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we just defined our crease, and that's basically, I think, what I'm gonna do for now, because I'm just gonna use my Revolution, the Lemonade Brow product, this one. And I've actually really loved this, and it's actually really soon ready. Like, there's no more product left. Like, this is the only product I have left. So yeah, I hope it will, yeah, I think I'll manage to do my brows for the last time with this product, but I've loved it so much. And the fact that it comes with its own gel, like, it's amazing. It's like a 2-in-1 product, which I've been loving. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to do another brown, because I think we need to have another brown in there. And I think the one I'm going to go for is simply this one. So this is probably called Chocolate Brown, which is this one right here. And we're just going to put that in the corner, like literally in the corner. So this eye look is going to be a bit of a smoky eye, you know what I'm saying? So we're just going to put this in the corner. What I like doing, as you know, is I brush the brush on my hand and then I just blend everything together. Okay, I think I like that. Okay, so now we have 2 liquid eyeshadows. I'm actually going to be using both because that's me. So I'm going to start with this one. So this one is called Sunset, and this is the product right here. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So that is Sunset. It's absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, well, put a little bit Okay, and a bit on my eyelid. And just tap it out. I don't know, let's see. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to try and get the product with my brush. And I don't know, just tap it out. Because I feel like I'm not getting the most of its quality. So yeah, it's so much better look when you tap it out with the brush. So yeah, something like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the extra product that we have on our brush to just blend it out. I really like that. It's very, very simple, nothing special. Okay, so now we're going to use chiffon. I think it's called chiffon. So this is definitely going in my inner corner. So I'm going to do the same thing, guys. I'm going to get an inner corner brush, which I really like using. And I'm just going to take the product and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, and I'm just gonna, and maybe on my brow bone. And you can maybe tap it a bit. So yeah, very simple, guys, nothing too extravagant, but I guess my comeback has to be like that. Okay, so now we have this one. So this is called the Endless Silky Eye Pen from Pixi, and I actually always love their eyeliners. So I'm going to just do a little bit on my top lashes, basically. I don't think I want to put it on my, maybe actually. I'm going to try and tight line, hopefully, if it works. And then I'll do a waterline. Let's see. Obviously, I'm so sorry if I'm not going to come in the camera. It happens, okay, guys? So please, yeah. So, yeah, I had to fix a little bit because I did a bit of mistake. But it's fine because we got it. I think we got it. So something like that. This eyeliner is very good if you want to use it for your waterline, I feel. It's very, very silky, literally, and very creamy and very, very smooth. So I had no complaints. Just haven't done my tight line in so long and I don't even know what I did, but I think I got it. Okay, so something which I'm really excited to try out is definitely this mascara. So this is the large lash mascara. I believe I have tried something like this out from their collection, I think. So this is the product. It's literally a very large lash mascara. So I'm just curling my lashes, obviously, and we're just going to apply it. The cream eyeshadow was not my favorite to apply. I found that it popped even more when you actually layered it up. But I would want the liquid eyeshadow to kind of pop without the need of layering it up, because I feel like it would be too much product on your lips. On your eyes, what am I saying? Those are the eyes ready. Absolutely love them. So for though, like, I really love the primer. I feel like the primer really did a good job because my skin is glowing, which is very nice to see. Okay, so now the next product I'm going to try is this one. Nuance Quartette, the Sugar Blossom palette, and this is it. It's really cute, as you can see. So we're going to be using this. So I'm just going to use, obviously, the bronzer side, which is called Rosewood. So this is Rosewood. So I'm going to use this. Yeah, it's fine. Ooh. Blends in nicely as well. So I'm just going to use a bit more product to go here. So now we're going to use the blush, which is called Blossom, which is this one right here. It's a very pink one, probably. Ooh, very pink. I always love their face products. Then we're going to use this highlighter. I want to use this one for sure. This is the Sugar highlighter. I've been skipping the highlight stage for my makeup, but I'm not missing it now. Okay, so that is it. I'm just gonna get a lipstick. I'm back, and these are the 3 lipsticks that I have to choose from, and I don't know which one yet. Bare Beauty liquid lipstick. So this was from Pixi. I still love them. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna try and use a different one because I don't know if I'm like loving this one. I use this one. This one is called actually Au Natural. Oh, I always love this one. Au Natural. So I'm just going to use Au Natural, I think. I'm going to use the Glow Mist with Propolis and Argan Oil from Pixi Beauty. So I'm just going to use this. That is all the makeup done. Honestly, I like it. It's very classical though, very vintage. So I used most of the stuff from Pixi Beauty that I really recently received, and I just want to say a big thank you. I honestly love the brand. Mascara, I'm so happy I received because I remember how much I love the large lash mascara. The primer is a primer that I'm going to be using, I would say, for the next few months. I'm not too sure about the liquid eyeshadows, to be fair. I don't know. I feel like they didn't set as much as I would have liked them to, like they didn't work out as much as I would have wanted them to. So I'm not 100% about these, but then the rest of the products, like this one as well, the Silky Eye Pen, I love, and also this Vitamin C Lip Brightener, absolutely love that. So yeah, those are the new products that I tried out from Pixi Beauty. You can shop Pixi Beauty from Malta from Lucy Makeup Store if you didn't know. However, they ship to Malta online as well. So I'll leave anything that I mentioned down below in the description box. So yeah, that is the first video that I had obviously I have filmed in my new room, the new filming room. I hope you like it. I would love to hear any feedback, definitely, because it would really help me. So if you have any feedback about the video quality and all that jazz, leave it in the comments down below, and I look forward to filming more videos with you guys. So yeah, I'm so happy, I'm so excited to be back, and it's nice to be speaking to you guys again. So yeah, I'm going to love you and I'm going to leave you, and if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And oh, hopefully Luke will be joining me in some videos soon as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. So yeah, bye guys.